Hey guys, I'm Carson Calhoun. Welcome to Handstand Tips and Conditioning. Over the years, I've picked up a bunch of tips and tricks for handstanding and wanted to put this plan together to share with you all of my favorite tricks. We've got 15 different tutorials to help you build your handstand practice, and we're gonna cover everything you could need. We'll cover jumping up into handstand, climbing up using the wall. I'm gonna teach you how to fall. We'll do some warm-ups for our wrists, our shoulders, hip and body mobility routines. In general, this plan is going to transform your handstand. There's so many benefits of handstanding, both mental and physical. Physical, your arms are gonna get stronger, your core is gonna get stronger, your body will transform just from doing these handstand exercises. Mentally though, that's where the real benefits are. You're gonna learn patience, you're gonna get courage, confidence, but most importantly, there's something so fun about jumping up and balancing upside down. It's just a new change of perspective and make you feel like a kid again. These classes are designed to be short, 10 minutes or less, so that if you only have a few minutes in your day, but you still want to practice handstands, you can head over to the mat, kick up on the wall, learn something new. For me, handstands are the ultimate expression of yoga. You're there, you're focused, you're present. When I am actually in a handstand and balancing, the whole world goes quiet. I'm so excited that you guys are joining me on this handstand journey. The most important thing you can do is have fun. Don't take yourself so seriously. It's just a handstand. Make sure you're enjoying it.